Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Watch this before you install any FitGirl game in 2025. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. After turning off, just to minimize this page, and double click on the setup folder, double click on setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, guys. Limit installer to 3 GB of RAM usage. And make sure nothing is running in the background and select next. Select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. Check all these and select install. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option and now the game has been added to this list. And as you can see, go back, turn on the real-time protection and select yes. After turning on, just to close stuff here, uncheck this option, guys. So redirect to this site, open this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. Select the game language. Click on the drop down and select the language you want and select save. And the game opens up without having any problem, as you can see. And you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.